Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows update error. That is, we couldn't connect to the update service. We will try again later. So if you are receiving this error message while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, and then click on troubleshoot. Click on additional troubleshooter. Now click on Windows Update and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are facing the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and reset Windows Update components. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see download Windows Update reset script for computer running Windows 10. Click on this. It will download the zip file. Go to the download location, so click on show in folder and then make a right click on the zip file and then click on extract, and after the extract, open this folder, then open this WU reset folder and then make a right click on this bat file and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and it will open a command prompt window. It will be asking you to press any key on the keyboard to continue. So press any key on the keyboard. First of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows update components, and then it will go ahead and restart all the Windows update services. So this process may take some time. It may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute. So let the process complete. Now over here you can see it's starting all the services, and at the end it will ask you to press any key to continue. So press any key on the keyboard. It will go ahead and close the command prompt and then restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are facing the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So open command prompt. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and copy this command first. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key, and once this is complete, go ahead and restart your computer, and then after the system restart, try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now in case still you are receiving the error message, in that case you can go ahead and run these two commands. So again, open command prompt, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then copy this command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and let the scan complete. Now once the scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So once this is 100% complete, copy this command and then paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now the next step is to disable third-party antivirus only while updating Windows 10. So till the time you are updating Windows 10, you can go ahead and disable your third-party antivirus. So if you have Avast, Norton, Bitdefender or McAfee, any third-party antivirus, so you can go ahead and disable it only while updating Windows 10, and after the Windows update is complete, you can go ahead and enable your antivirus program. Now the next step is to switch to Google DNS configuration. For this, open Windows 10 settings once again, go to network and internet, then click on change adapter options. Now make a right click on your network. So once you make a right click on your network, click on properties, select internet protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Then once you select it, click on properties. Now put a check on the box which says use the following DNS server addresses. Put a check over here, and over here for preferred DNS servers, type in 888, then again 8, again 8, again number 8, and for alternate DNS server, type in 8, 8, 4 and 4, then click on OK and then click on close, and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now the next step is to switch to different networks. So you can, if you have multiple network connection, So if multiple network connection is available, you can go ahead and disconnect this, and if you will find the list of available network, you will find if you have your different network, you can go ahead and connect to different network and then try to update your Windows 10. The next step, this is the last step. In case if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 10. For this, open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. So click on accept, and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So make sure that upgrade this PC now is selected over here. Then click on next, and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. So once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and after the installation, log into your computer, and then your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.